Hey everybody, today is the 4th of November 2022, and today, as I've said, in the middle, obviously this is the MACD. I really kind of don't use that for this one. I guess we can use it now, but let's turn all of this off just in case we start getting to other things. Let's turn this off, by the way, but I've said this already, that I said that it was most likely the case, and I said it in the middle of September, based on things I was seeing right here for the total market cap. Here we go. I said the bottom is most likely in, and now today I'm going to say it again. The bottom is most likely in. Okay? Not financial advice. Always do your own research. Of course, we here at Crypto Chat Africa, we actually have our education materials. So definitely check those out. If you want to get access to up to, we had like 3000X. It was actually even 10X from there. But what we can publicly track without doing any other things and, you know, other people trying to do guesswork, like what you can verify from the public based on what we can show, you can actually see 3000X. But we say, hey, look, there's potentially up to 1000X, and obviously that's very hard. So if you want to get 1000X signals, definitely join our CTAI group. That's 5,000. As of today, it is a lifetime instead of 5,000 per year at $12.99. It ends today. So if you see this after that, that is not going on unless, I don't know, popular request or something. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, so we have those. We have a more or less up to 50X where we will have that. We actually have it organized. So if you want that, check out our other group, and that's $960 per year, $960 per US dollars. Anyway, let's get back to this. As you can see, this is taking off. Look, we're accumulating upwards or downwards of 1 trillion. This, to me, this accumulation zone right here, this is confirming to me from my trading perspective that we're in the bottom. Remember, we like to go from 1s, 3s, and 5s. We're accumulating around 1 trillion for the total market cap. We're accumulating around 500 billion, 1, 3, and 5 for the 1 minus Bitcoin. And the 1 minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, we're at the 3. Isn't that very interesting? So 1, 3, and 5, that's my confirmation right there. Don't have to look at Bitcoin. Don't have to look at Ethereum. I've already called this. You guys that were here the other day, if you go to our Twitter page, we even called up here for Theta. We called Theta. Look at this. We called Theta. Looking at this right here, you can see where our target is. The stop loss down here is actually farther down. It's at the 104 mark. But we also called Theta here. For the people that were here early enough on our Telegram and in our Discord, you guys already know it. It was called at 98 cents, so 0.98. It was 0.983 to be exact. So definitely check that out. Share this video, like, comment, subscribe. But right now, people are looking, and of course, they're going to say it's bullish, it's bearish, it's this. Of course, nobody could predict this. Well, if they're not looking at the charts the right way, as you can see, I haven't updated this support resistance area or any of this stuff now. If I extend this out, this is very interesting. Where would this kind of go? It would be roughly right here if I eyed this correctly. But I don't want to do that. Not right now. But people are saying nobody can predict this market. It's too hard. Well, you know, we're not always going to be right. But it is, in my view, not financial advice or anything, predictable. It's patterns. It's pattern recognition, guys. If you got pattern recognition, that's pretty much what you got. We're back in the buy zone right here. As we can see, this hit our target even up there. We're back in the buy zone, which is the 2.2 is the highest area, but 2.2 down to 1.7 is the buy zone for Luna Classic. USTC has not gone back into its buy zone, not just yet. Buy zone is lower, right? I have that on a different chart right now. I have the 4 students chart up, but yeah, it's gotten back into our buy zone just at the tippity top. And you guys know I like to be toward the bottom. We still got money in there. We're going to see how this goes with Luna Classic. But again, all we have to do is look at this. And Ethereum is more bullish then Ethereum is more bullish than Bitcoin has been. And now it's dumped more, but look at the chart. You can even see from right here. It's higher up in this chart. It's going up higher by percentage wise. It can go up and meet its pattern a little bit higher. People are not realizing Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. I actually haven't even looked at it in a little while. BTC.D. Let's look at this. Bitcoin dominance, as I said, it's going to hit a new low. Look at these people. They do not realize that it's going to hit a new low. Once it kind of broke here, it retested this from the bottom. It came up and failed. This was the question mark. Now let's see. Is this the chart where I have it? No, this is not the chart where I said this at. But I'll say it again. I will say this again. Unless, look, this is a head and shoulders. And unless this is a giant W pattern right here where we can do this, unless this is a W right here where we would do that, then that's the only way that I see this, right? That's the only way I see that. Otherwise, we're going to form yet another head and shoulders pattern, even though head and shoulders are not like that. But, you know, I'm kind of drawing a conclusion that's not there, to be fair. But I like to use these because it kind of helps guide me in my personal trading view. No pun intended from using trading view, but it gives me my personal perspective in trading. If you guys want to learn my mindset in that, definitely look at the Telegram below. Join our Discord at Crypto Chat Africa. And if you want the Black Friday sale that's going on right now for the lower end group, the one that's $960, you can get that for 2 years at $408. 2 years for $408. And then when it renews, it's still at a cheaper price than that per year. 2 years for $408, not $408 a year, but for 2 years. It comes out to $204 a year. Or you can get monthly $45 instead of $90. Or if you don't want if you just want some of the signals up to 10x instead of 50x for that lower end group, that's going to be $23. You can try us out. You can see how the signals work. We called some things in there like theta. You still get the trade updates. You just don't get the weekly videos and things like that, but you still get high quality, massive information. And for those the very serious traders, and you want to be able to come there, sit back, smoke your cigar, get on your yacht or whatever, potentially, can't just guarantee that, right? Right. And be able to pay high taxes because you're making so much, you pay the high taxes. Go ahead and join our 5,000 group CTAI. That's only $12.99 as of today. Tomorrow, if you see it, sorry to say, it's going to be that 5,000, but it's per year. Let's see what we can do here, right? Let's get back into this right here after that first commercial, non-commercial break, right? Now, let's get there. Now, this looks like this is just going to continue to tumble down. And remember, I said this years ago. Bitcoin could still be a big player, even at 20% dominance. And guess what? I hope this is the chart that I have it on. I really do. I hope this is the one that I have Ethereum, because we got a clear target for Ethereum right here. Even though this is an ugly thing, that's not really a real bull flag like that. Ignore that. Darn it. This isn't the one. This is not the one. But our target, I'm just going to say it here verbally, because this is not the chart. I don't feel like bringing up the other ones. It's too much stuff to go through. I only got about 3 more minutes on this. Look, if you're looking at this, our first target is 25%. If we get to 25%, it's pretty much almost a given that we're going to get up to that 30%. Now, will it come down and crash down again? Ethereum is just getting too much dominance. Look at Matic. Oh, yeah. Look at Matic. Let's go down to Matic. We called Matic. We called CRV. We called CRV. It's a whole bunch of stuff going on with this chart. We called Matic. We called Matic back here. This is where we called Matic. The original call on Matic was right here in this area. Let's reset this. There's a lot of things going on. I haven't updated this one. I have the other ones, as you can see, the crypto facts, crypto chat. So you can see that. I just don't want to bring those up now. I'm short on time. 2 minutes left. So yeah, we have Matic right here. We called it down here at the 44 to 52 cents. We had our first target right up here at $1. Right, was 98. Then we had the rebuy right back in here. We already said this was an accumulation zone right in here and is getting ready to blast out. Now, how did this happen? Because we aren't guessing. We said what it was. So if you want to come to people that aren't guessing, that are doing educated guesses, because that's what a prediction is, educated guess, that aren't just guessing and just diddling around and guessing, then join us at Crypto Chat Africa. Check out cryptochatafrica.com. If you want those discounted specials, you're going to have to join that Discord link and say, hey, I came from your YouTube. I see this right here. Let's go ahead and look at this, right? Let's go ahead and join in right there. If you want access to up to 1,000x signals, trade signals, if you want the education because you want to learn how to trade on your own, we got that. Just look at what we're offering at those different levels and join us. All right. I'll catch you all on the next one. I am so freaking excited about this, but some people, they'll catch up at the last minute instead of being ahead of the curve. If you want to be ahead of the curve, you join us and you can get ahead of the curve right here. It's not inside information and stuff like that. It's all public, but we just organize it in such a way where we get ourselves ahead of the curve. Instead of being behind everybody else, we're going to be in that lead pack and the lead of that race. This is a marathon. We're in that lead pack, and we're going to be going toward that world record if we can. All right. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.